Sustainable building renovation is vital for Europe's energy transition. InCUBE is a Horizon EU project that envisions to unlock the EU renovation wave through cutting-edge standardized and lean-integrated processes based on 4 key pillars of innovation: industrialization, digitalization, new technologies and materials, and new market entrants. InCUBE strives to combine cutting-edge hardware and software with inclusive social initiatives to achieve at least 35% reduction of waste streams, 30% reduction in renovation costs, 50% reduction in hazardous working time, reduce the energy performance gap to under 20%, more than 1,000 tons of CO2 equivalent per year in greenhouse gas emission reduction, 70% energy savings per year, and 2,000 users in 2 renewable energy communities. The InCUBE solutions will be demonstrated in 3 large-scale demo sites: Groningen, the Netherlands; Zaragoza, Spain; and Trento, Italy. Each demo site uses a core of shared technologies and management approaches, such as the use of building information modeling, in addition to site-specific solutions. The demo site of Groningen, located in the north of the Netherlands, specifically looks at automation in renovation. Automation is achieved primarily through the installation of prefabricated facades, use of drilling and demolition robots, an AI-based waste sorting solution, and implementation of a telescopic crane for scaffold-free construction. The use of robotics in renovation boosts efficiency, precision, and safety, reducing time, cost, and worker injuries. At the Dutch demo site, InCUBE partner Van Wijnen are implementing robotic technologies, including a drilling robot that can drill hundreds of holes per day of various sizes to anchor cable trays. This cuts execution time and material use significantly. Equipped with sensors to prevent damage, the drilling robot also enhances safety and reliability. Additionally, a semi-autonomous demolition robot is used to remove walls more quickly and safely than traditional methods, further improving worker efficiency. Using the robot for demolition reduces physical labor, making construction more accessible to a broader audience. The demo site of Zaragoza, located in northeastern Spain's Aragon province, showcases how building renovation can be improved using building information modeling from UAV and laser scanning data, along with lean construction methods. It also integrates prefabricated solutions such as modular facades and industrialized structures for vertical communication zones, alongside monitored safety systems and innovative renewable energy management strategies. InCUBE partner Metro 7 leads the Spanish demo site, a residential building in the heart of Zaragoza.
BIM is a collaborative working approach to develop and manage construction projects. BIM is not only a 3D model, but a digital representation. Unlike traditional 2D representations, BIM allows to design not drawing only lines, but directly modeling components and objects. In addition to assets that this may incorporate, working on 3D representation of construction elements help on decision-making process and communication flow among stakeholders.
Various tools bring BIM to life by simulating a time-lapse of the renovation, allowing detailed discussions among stakeholders. As BIM and digital twins cover the entire project, data on air quality, energy efficiency, consumption, and generation is collected before, during, and after renovation, enabling ongoing monitoring and more accurate reporting of outcomes. The demo site of Trento, located in the northeast of Italy, amongst the Italian Alps, highlights the importance of building an energy community during renovation efforts. The pilot aims to connect construction with community. Energy efficiency interventions are combined with a renewable energy community, cloud-based distributed energy management system, and gender inclusivity in the construction process.
According to the European Union, a renewable energy community is a legal entity that empowers citizens, small businesses, and local authorities to produce, manage, and consume their own energy. The InCUBE Trento demo site will create a renewable energy community through on-site production of energy through building integrated photovoltaic shingle and low-temperature geothermal heating and cooling, which will be distributed on a neighborhood-wide network. In addition to the technological benefits, renewable energy community also have social advantages, as they enable collective and citizen-driven energy action to support the clean energy transition.
InCUBE aims to create more opportunities for women in renewable energy and construction by offering training on the latest technologies, helping them enter and succeed in this male-dominated industry. InCUBE aims to unite the latest in construction technology with community-building initiatives to facilitate the energy transition effectively within the building renovation sector. Thank you to Van Wijnen, Metro 7, FBK, and all our other partners. For more information on our partnerships and to keep up to date on project progress, please visit incubeproject.eu and subscribe to our newsletter. InCUBE, Unlocking the EU Renovation Wave is a Horizon Europe project co-funded by the European Union.